Assalamu alaikum, dear clients of Form Digital Pharma Company. In this video, we will show you how to sell the product in the F-Cash program. To start working with this software, you need to open the shift when the message "Are you sure to open this shift?" is displayed by pressing the Yes button. To generate a bill, you need to select a specific item. In the product selection window, enter the item name and press the enter or scan this product if you have a scanner. The product enables to search for a product by individual words if you check the composite search cell. To find the item by scanner, scan the barcode of the item. Here you must also check the by the piece cell to enter piece quantities into the bill. After selecting an item, enter the quantity in the new window that opens. If you want to sell the product by piece, click the plus button in the same window and select the unit of measurement, box, strip, tablets, and press the enter button. In the bill makeout window, a sales receipt is formed when selecting a goods, which displays the following data: name, manufacturer, quantity, discounted price, non-discounted price, discounted amount, non-discounted amount, expiration date, series, storage location, incoming price, incoming amount, and Tetmin code. The bottom line shows the total amount of the bill. On the right side of the bill, a separate window displays the bill number, current date, total bill amount, discount, and amount due. There are also several right-click functions here. Edit or enter to change the quantity of the sold product. Delete to delete the item from the bill. Refresh or F5 to update data of the product. Certificate to print a certificate. Change the price or Ctrl+Q to change the selling price of the selected item. Price of incoming or Ctrl+W to replace the sale price of the selected product with the incoming price. Change the sum or Ctrl+E to change the amount of sale of the selected item. Discount in percentage or Ctrl+R to set the percentage of discount for the selected item. Round or Ctrl+T to round the amount of goods to whole dirhams. FOC or Ctrl+F to provide the item in the bill as a product discount. Cancel round or Ctrl+Y to cancel rounding of the sum of goods. Chronic medicine or Ctrl+C to put an item on the chronic calendar to remind clients with chronic diseases. This function works only when you select a client from the reference book of your program, the card of which is created by clicking the New button. You can also edit this newly opened client card when you click the New button again. To create a mailing list with a reminder for clients with chronic diseases that the medicine in the pharmacy is running out, enter the supplementary section and select the chronic calendar function. Next, in a new window, select the client and send him a reminder in WhatsApp by clicking the button in the form of the WhatsApp icon. Add Tetmin to enter the Tetmin code for the item. Not in leftovers function or Ctrl+N in operation section is to display items that are not currently in leftovers. When using it, a new window opens in which you need to select the necessary item to be added to the bill by right-clicking and selecting the Select or Enter function on the keyboard. This window also implements a refresh or F5 function to refresh the data. Font customization to customize the font of the text in the bill. After pressing the payment button, the bill is closed and the balance of goods punched in it is reduced in the program. The following buttons are added in the payment selection window by payment type when closing a bill: cash or F9, MasterCard or F11, Visa or F8, mobile payment or F10, insurance and home delivery. This program enables to pay for goods by multiple payment types. To do this, enter the payment amounts in the appropriate cell separately. When you close the bill, a new window appears with some features and filters. The discount cell automatically displays the discount in sum for the selected client, which is set in the cell when you click the Discount AED2 or F2 button. In the To Pay cell, the payment amount is automatically calculated, taking into account the discount for the selected client. In the next filter, the client is selected, after which his data are automatically filled in the phone and name cells. The next filter selects the doctor whose prescription the buyer provides. Its data is automatically filled in the doctor cell. To cancel the operation, click on the X button. In the cells Cash Box, MasterCard, Visa, Mobile Payment, the amount of payments by corresponding types are entered. In the Total cell, the total amount of payment of the bill is automatically calculated. In the lowest cell, the difference between the payment amount and the amount of item in the bill is automatically calculated. The lower table shows the total amount of goods with and without VAT as well as the VAT amount alone. Button Exchange 1 is used to calculate the change amount due in case the payment from the client is made in foreign currency. When you press it, a new window opens where you need to enter the amount of foreign currency in the amount cell. Next, the Sum in AED cell automatically calculates the payment amount in dirhams, and the Change cell calculates the change amount for the client. Button Discount Percent or F3 is used to calculate the percentage discount for the client. When pressing it, a new window opens where you need to enter the percentage of discount and press the button in the room of a green check mark or enter on the keyboard. Enter button is used to close the receipt without printing it out. Ctrl plus Enter button is used to close the receipt with printing it out. Button in the form of an X is used to cancel payment on the bill. Now let's move on the Home Delivery button. When you click it, a new window opens in which you need to select a courier by clicking the second filter. The courier card is entered in the F-Pharmacy program under Reference section in the Courier tab. The client and courier cell are checked in case you want to send a delivery notification to WhatsApp of the client and courier. The four bottom buttons are similar to buttons when closing a bill. After closing the bill, it's stored in the database and colored blue, and also the barcode of the receipt is printed. After the courier delivers the item to the client and brings the money to the pharmacy, you need to scan the barcode of the receipt and next punch a bill for the appropriate type of payment. To print a temporary receipt for the client, click the Printer button. There are also several buttons in the main interface of the program. Button to open the cash box. Button to view the client's purchase history by bills and by goods. Button to view the Reconciliation Act with the client. The Return from Customer button is used to return goods from customer. When you click this button, a window will pop up where you need to specify the bill number and the closing date of the bill on which you want to return the item. If this bill number is not specified, after pressing the Return button, a new window opens, which uploads the list of all items sold in the specified day. If the bill number is specified, then after pressing the Return button, a new window opens, which uploads the list of items sold in the specified bill. To return an item from the buyer, select in a new open window the item, specifying the quantity to be returned by the buyer and press Enter. In this window, you can also select another date when the item was sold and return it as well. After specifying the quantity of goods, click the Exit button. In the newly generated return bill, you can additionally add the items that the customer wants to buy instead of the returned goods. If the amount of the bill is indicated with minus, then you must return that amount to the client from the cash box. And if the amount is indicated with the plus, it means that the client has to pay you extra. Next, punch a bill for the appropriate type of payment. The insurance button is used to sell goods to the customer through an insurance company. When you press it, a new window appears in which some data are calculated and cells for filling are located. In the first filter, you need to select an insurance company. In the insurance discount cell, the percentage and the amount of the discount on the bill are automatically filled in. The discount percentage is set on the insurance company's card in the F-Pharmacy program. In the with discount cell, the amount of the bill is automatically calculated including the discount. In the percentage of payment, the percentage and the amount of prepayment for the bill from the client are automatically entered. The prepayment percentage is also set on the insurance company's card in the F-Pharmacy program. In the To Pay cell, the amount of payment for the bill from the buyer is automatically calculated. In the doctor filter, select the doctor whose prescriptions the buyer has provided. In the following cells, fill in the details of the buyer. In the cells on the right, fill in the payment amount from the customer for the corresponding types. Insurance button is used to close a bill through an insurance company. The button with the X icon is designed to close the window. There were all the basic functions for working in F-Cash. Using them, your pharmacist will be able to deal with customers properly and efficiently. That's all by me. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay always updated. See you soon.